I belong here somewhere, amidst the wilderness and fresh air, where the sun takes time to rise. The blankets of mist tranquilize. A home for my soul I searched, to those cliffs I perched, as warm as mother's lap, an abode for a peaceful nap. With angels in disguise and pretty close distance to the skies. Through the curves shrouded with moist and cold mist, those diffused with medicated fragrant bliss. The temperature makes it perfect to sip on a hot cup of tea. It's here I want to live, and this is how I want to feel. Divine, serene, and away from the chaos. I feel it's here I belong. Amidst the woods and chirping sound, in between the ever colorful nature, the jungles, not built by men. The valleys sing a song. While I camp with them along. I am a mountain man.